Tony Matterhorn, the fix interview. Hey, let me know if you want to see the CMR thing there, cause me say, yo, the man make some wild statements in his film interview. You see me? Plus, I think they did a World Dog interview. The fix been turning up their interview lately. Just the whole aesthetic and thumbnails and everything just been up lately. So big up the fix. You see me? I say? So check out the one. Tony Matterhorn Unfiltered. Let's get it.
First, before we go any further, when you don't ask no question, if you don't want answer, and only people out there where are listen, if you don't want to hear the truth, then you no need to go up on the fix. Cause we fix things. Somebody just tell listen, man, go dive in on your mama.
Jesus!
I might sound bitter, but me no bitter. Me just tell you, go suck out your mother. Simple. How you see the magnitude of
Oh my God.
deep it was, somebody just have to send him deep in your mama. Just tell him, go suck your mother and that.
Ooh, a crafty attack? I can't crafty attack.
Was that? You have so much people me tell go that.
If you deal with craft, there's no reason for you to deal with craft like that. You see what I say? But go on, you have
Jesus.
The reason why me send people in them mama because back then when me did a little bit, me couldn't send them in them mama. You're a big man, you're a pussy hole, you're a hater, one college. I'm saying go suck out your mother.
Jesus.
You want credit for being a bad selector. You're not a bad selector. You're a shithead. I don't do certain events because they are boring and I am going to get ignorant and tell them go suck out to the mother. Because I want to mindless go, you go.
Why are you like this?
Because there's none like me.
Pina them.
Nah, lie. Tony Matterhorn is one of them niggas they do, no manners. You see me I say, and me not gonna lie, dog. You having some very entertaining sayings and interviews, so let's get it.
Yo, people, welcome back to the Fix Podcast. It's boy out here with Ari and Javi.
Hi.
People me know say no want squash, we tried him sick. So we have a second for Tony Matterhorn. We have a second for Matterhorn, oh God. Hey, and that's how I mean I mean for real.
Yeah.
Yo, legend in the building, Tony Matterhorn. Yeah. The one, the only.
Oh, Janet.
Oh, we gotta say shout out Janet. So this as well. Of course. Shout out to Janet. Shout out to Isora. Yeah, man. But Tony Matterhorn in the building. Bless up, sir. Thank you for joining us.
Yes.
Give thanks.
No, man. Yeah, because when I remember, like, would come the first time we come back, I come at Miami last year, December. We interview her dog, and somebody must say, "Oh, if you interview Tony Matterhorn," and I'm like, that's not necessarily up to us. And then we connected on the ship. Yeah. And I'm like, oh, wow, yeah, we can do it. So it was
arch rivals.
Arch rivals, right.
Why would it have beef? Why would that? What
you know, say,
what would that?
You didn't like
us? Beef, because I never like beef or chicken. Somebody just say, the fix, try fix me. I say, try fix Mr. After Dark. And then, when I say, I don't need the fix don't need me.
But then what you realize what the issue was like? Was there any issue? Because we never had any issue on our end.
And there was never an issue on my end either. I the typical Jamaican.
So that's the people.
I would have said.
Oh no, Kartel interview make everybody want to fix you know. We talk it truth, man. Kartel turn up them thing.
And that them say, and that you make him out say, and then yeah.
Jano, so people make you a pre-wee.
You know, some never pre, come watch on the show and them something.
Oh,
yeah.
Me's a Pisces and Pisces people not pre people.
Yeah, that's true.
Me not like the fix. I'm gone on business. Me not even remember that. You know, and if I see the fix and them have an interesting thing on them platform, me go watch it.
Oh, wow.
So I not like me go say, so me don't want to see them people. No.
Yeah.
Really? Good.
Anybody who wanna bring on where me deem interesting and the interview was interesting, me go watch it.
You watch the killer interview?
I didn't. IR never did watch that.
Lies you tell.
No, me see the thing clip plastic, but me never did watch that one. Watch the one with elephant, but what?
Yeah.
Most of them watch.
Okay.
Thanks, bro.
No, seriously, what's the issue with you, Bounty?
Yeah.
Seriously, still up to this day?
That is an ongoing thing where that never ever got solved.
Because they say you're Pisces and
till Master God come down and say, hey, ease him up. Nah, go solve. That's one of them things there.
Well, Killer with G, but you're with G too.
Yeah, I was my G until him turned Judas. Then you know.
Tony, the manners man, Tony, joke off for you.
Jaja.
Why does him turn Judas?
Yeah, because Bounty is like one of the most loyal people in this industry.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Hey, yo, YouTube, you know have some manners, please. Ask them, yeah? Watch them ads here, okay? Alright. By the way, don't skip the ads for me video. Watch the ads, you know. Let's see what I say.
So, how you unfortunate forget Judas bounty?
Because you betray your friend, so you have to be a Judas.
Wow.
So even up to this day, cause me see you even play a dub film on the cruise in Night Clash.
Me still I go play my bounty killer them because most of those killers I actually was a part of that movement. So
Yeah.
me not go fight a man craft. Bounty is one of the greatest artists
Yes, facts.
ever. Lyrically and prolific like that. But at the end of the day, your Matterhorn does never ever gonna be. Cause me not believe in what Jesus did do. Because me just believe say if Jesus did just slap Judas with a piece of brick or a piece of board across him face, you wouldn't have Judas's up to this time.
No, but
I need
then
them
the
in a part
point
of-
of,
Yeah, I thought that. Because you know, say Judas not gonna do what you do. What him a gonna do? That slap me.
Jesus is that he had to
Everybody
die
have
on the
one.
cross for
Yeah,
our
yeah.
sins.
And that's why I'm telling the difference with me and him. Him never clap Judas with a piece of board and me with clap
Just
Judas
end the
with a piece
Judas
of
thing.
See,
board.
that's why God never send you for redeem me. He's like, fuck out of here, I do that shit.
Yes, kid. So him choose me if you're different. Sometimes I say, you know what? You're too different, you know. So,
I'm gonna talk to you.
Oh my God. Is that blasphemy? Is this blasphemy?
no, it's not. He said
Reasoning.
different
People
Yeah.
from different
prophets and
things.
different
Yeah.
people to do
Yeah.
different
Yeah.
biddings.
Yeah.
So,
No,
me
you
are not
can't
one
do.
of the type where if you just go friend thy enemy and love thy enemy. That's not me. So
That's
he never
not
put
you.
that in a me.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's how he make people. He make us with love, compassion, everything. Him just never put that part there in a me. The forgiveness part, me no know.
Oh,
What's life like living?
Forgiveness is something where we all have to learn. I don't really. Somehow we that's something we have.
Here in
Watch it.
Florida as opposed to Jamaica? Like, what's the difference?
To me, there's no difference.
For real.
So as on a venture in Florida, I
Yeah.
want to go some little dinner place and hang on and people meet and greet with the mall them and the
You can
place.
join live
It's
if
the
you
same,
want.
it's
You
the
want
same.
join live?
Um,
You want to join live, gang? Can we can you want to come through? If you want to come through and become part of the live, you can always click the link. You see me? Click the link if you want to join it, join my stream. You see me? I say, oh, go if you want to join the stream. Anybody in the chat, you can click the link, you know.
it's just the same. It's just a different terrain, but it's the same upbringing, the same vibe. Because if you go on party, I will go in on one party where I say, yo, what go on?
Yeah.
You see it? We're going to enjoy ourselves and booyaka, off a shower around.
Yeah.
You see it? So it's the same thing.
But if it's the same, but why here and not Jamaica? Because most of them just gone left Jamaica.
No, well, me and one of them when they gone left Jamaica. Me and one were always there foreign.
Yeah.
Childhood days, my mama always come back home.
Yeah.
Because New York is really your
Yeah.
home state.
Me originally there New York and then Florida. Me one of the pioneers were discover Florida dancehall scene.
Yeah.
Back in the days when we are bring Khalid and them Rockers Island. So
Yeah.
I was one of the first New Yorker to come to Florida.
Yeah.
But I used to come home to Jamaica like Easter, Christmas, and summer every year. And then, from time to time, sometimes I just base back at Jamaica and just do the lift up from Jamaica
Yeah.
or the lift up from New York or Florida.
Right.
So from ever since, I always been.
So you want Khalid, you guys linked up then? Because if you're one
another
of the...
Judas.
Wow.
Why no wow?
Wow.
I didn't
was
even
much
know
better.
this. I didn't even know this.
Well, me know say Sizzla consider him as such, but me never did really know about that.
No, Sizzla I consider him not Judas.
Well,
Stop
we
it.
consider him as a Judas.
Because I was just thinking about it then, you would have known him because Khalid was,
Sure.
yeah.
Would have known him. We'll bring him to Jamaica.
So then what the issue then? How on the follow?
No, as me telling you, say, first, before we go any further, on don't ask no question if you don't want answer. And only people out there where are listen, if you don't want to hear the truth, then you no need to go up on the fix. Because we fix things.
Exactly.
I will just fix things.
Yeah.
Not in our own concept, but the truth and nothing but the truth, so help me God.
I swear. Yeah.
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 So-
So we don't have to tell lie about history.
Yeah. So what the issue with you and Khalid?
Well, apparently, me never have no issue with him until him do a fuckery.
Which
we've
was?
been friends for years. I mean, from if I mention certain name, one not gonna know. Like one might hear of Papa Keith, Daddy Sa, Mix 96, Buttafuoco,
Yeah.
No,
the whole
Buttafuoco.
team. Giselle, the Wasi one, she used to play soca. Khalid used to play the dancehall, the
Hip
hip
hop.
hop, and I used to play the dancehall. I used to have a thing named Rockers Island. That's where it all started. When the whole away was friends, and then Florida, we used to the Miramar down that side. Jazzy T, Delano, DJ Kareem, the whole team. We
Yeah.
were like a whole
That's
team. So
Jamaican, yeah.
we were based in Florida at the time. So this was when I started my solo career.
Okay.
1997 in September. So we run Rockers Island, all of them things. That when we decide, say, yo, may I go to Jamaica and I'm going to destroy everything down there.
Just like that.
My boss from in the 90s with King Addies. But
Yeah.
then when I went solo, and you have all these little
Yes.
selector and the little laptop, them Scooby Lucky ball out my throat and play my tune. It all started from Matterhorn. So I started a solo career and we got Jamaica, fully loaded, mash up the place. Then we brought DJ Khalid into my world.
Yeah.
From Florida, and with me, Delano and Jazzy, we bring him at Jamaica, and there at Jamaica we used to have fully loaded everything every year. Everybody know about fully loaded.
Yeah, man, yeah.
What make me and Khalid have not even a fallout. Me just tell him straight up. In my world, me bring in my world. Anyway, we buck up Khalid a couple of years back, like about 3 years ago. And we love him success and everything. We're happy for you and all of that. So me approach him. It so happened. Me approach him right where it started, Rockers Island. When the name changed. I saw him there, and a couple of years back, I say, yo, I guess it start from I was there, and I say, yo, Matterhorn, for real, the whole history. And I say, yeah, what? We the best thing. Produce a tune with me. Because my mommy sing Dirty Wine and Good as a big song, so. And no leave more songs. So I say, produce one of the track. And my man say, yeah, you don't know. I mean, Matterhorn, Then give me him number. Then,
Hey, no joke, you know, Dirty Wine, you know. A big black key tune the boy make, you know. That was a worldwide song, you know. That song was a problem, you know. You had people that broke them neck, you know. Yo, hey.
I call him couple times.
Remember America, when I high school, people ask, yo, that girl in my house, I say, oh, you know the song named Dirty Wine. Bro, that song was a problem.
And I don't get him. So me never feel no way about that. But then one day me there by Jazzy, and I call him and him not answer, and then Jazzy call him and him answer.
What are them type of these? What are them type?
The last time he check on me, I done.
Yeah.
So what you do so?
And that me one know. So somebody just tell listen, me man, go diving now your mama.
Jesus.
Why them attack to Jazzy?
Give me the phone. Hey, hello.
Only know man, me don't have no filter.
Wow.
And me find that as a disrespect because
Yeah.
I brought you to Jamaica. Footer hype, me appoint Footer hype, and scaring of his rest in peace. And them me have as my soldier them at the time I bring you around, go Vice, Bounty Killer, Caesar Capert and all of these things. I bring you in a big fully loaded and put you up there on my big pedestal. And the only thing me ever ask you, I never like me begging no money. Kind of know Pisces people face them. Me never begging no money. Me just say, like how me they do them something there for you. Out of the
I
good.
want done, you know, and a Jambisco done. Tell them how it go. Right. I want done and a Jambisco done. Easy.
It's my art. Simple gesture. Just produce a track with me.
So you wanted it on his album, or you just wanted
No,
it
just
to be
produce a
single?
track.
Just a
Remember, you're a
single.
producer. I
Yeah.
mean, based on our relationship and our track record from 1996, 97, 98, 99, 2000, all of them fully loaded from Florida. The least you could have done a producer too.
And you feel like you're
you
proving
know,
yourself enough with Dirty Wine because this was before.
And me have the track record, yeah.
After, it's after.
Which he knows. And the least you could have done produce the track. My might sound bitter, but me not bitter. Me just tell you, go suck out your mother. Simple. Because based on the knowledge where you just learned, that was a common assault. You could have produced a track with Matterhorn. And if you never gonna do it, say you're not gonna do it. But don't give me your number and then
Shady, move shady.
when you're there at Jamaica, if you want to go around killer them know you from anyway. Now me have to bring you around killer them. The only person you probably know was Buju, because Buju normally was here, and Elephant.
Yeah.
But you never know none of these people. And we bring around these people. He always post something on his Instagram for sure, say, and I like Matterhorn attack, him a mix and the whole of we ever.
Yeah.
You know, say, me I done.
So now, say, my subscriber say, me are the Uncle Dan, brother. One Dan and a Jambisco Dan. So, but where make you slide?
That you become a Dan, you feel like you want to be like a Matterhorn.
All right, so devil's advocate. Suppose him just never know how to produce a song for you, and he probably not know how to say that.
Is it really? Are you gonna try produce song with all of the other dancehall like them? That makes sense? Make it make sense to me.
Me just did,
Well, I
you know,
mean,
me
the
just
type
a
of songs and what you would make would be
No,
different with what him would
No.
usually do.
Same thing, girl song, music song, party song, we did all of that. And as a brethren to a brethren, that's like me help out the Fix when the Fix just a start them podcast.
Yeah.
And then me I go come and say, yo, the Fix, more come on the Fix to promote our song. And uno could do that when nearer.
It's narrow.
It's narrow, Jesus.
Naro. When Naro just try doing podcast, Matterhorn was the one who used
Buy
my
two
profile
mic.
and say, yo, buy two mic and say, yo, wanna look out for that. So
Right.
when you are tell me, say, couple years down the line now, when the Fix get big, you can fix up a little interview for Matterhorn. At that you are tell me, say, listen to me, man.
I see where you're coming
Yes, now,
from.
now you see the magnitude of
Oh my
how
God.
deep it was. Somebody that have to send him deep in our mama. And that was that. And me not have no beef against him, no vibes against him.
So you just tell him I move
Me
on.
just tell him go suck your mother, and that was that.
As a true Jamaican. Jeez.
Damn.
True Jamaican, 1972 Jamaica. Me don't know about the new Jamaica.
Yeah.
The new Jamaica, it kind of twisted and turned and flip round and
What do you mean?
Let's-
Twisted and turn.
At
and
least,
them not loyal. When me come from, you're loyal, you know. Me come from the
Yeah, man, the
90s.
new Jamaica, yeah, that we can't agree with it. I'll be a lowness. These niggas advocate for lowness. You see me? We the true Jamaicans. We not the new Jamaicans. They have no idea you with a low massa. We used to say, yo, weed, no, coke and no pills and any of these. Used to popping pills, doing all type of drugs. We used to say, yo, we know, them boy used to say, we live by the code. We not do them drugs. You see me? We not in front. You see me, I say, we love woman, we are gallus. You see me, we burn out fish. You see me, I say, and these kids doing the opposite of all that shit right now. Me no know what I'm to them, man. Something wrong with them, man. Something probably not what.
I grew up in the 90s, real 90s, New York City, Brooklyn 90s. So you had to be loyal in the street.
He's nowhere as old as this guy right here. Nowhere as old as Tony. But, yeah, man. You know what I say, come true.
Or more wouldn't dare so I talk to him right now.
Yeah.
If I wasn't loyal and a loyal soldier back then when gang wars and all them things. How would I live for still there so we don't know. And next generation below my generation. You see? Loyalty.
Girls really want a man that isn't a
Bro. YouTube, tighten up, bro. Tighten up.
Okay.
The clock, because Jamaica did start get filtered down. And you can't blame the new generation, you have to blame them mama. And
Or
papa.
dad. Oh.
I mean, so we,
Them mama.
You know, always
Because
want
it's-
show, man. You never just
like
want,
the
one never just want to take anything.
is it that the new generation, like the current, like would I say like Gen Z type, them not really of that cloth, you'd I say?
Yeah, them not cut from the clock because Jamaica did start get filtered down. And you can't blame the new generation, you have to blame them mama. And
Or
papa.
dad. Oh.
I mean, so
I feel like we have a mama counter. So, man.
No, you have to blame for them parents because me come from the 72 generation, so my parents them would have to show with loyalty, love and respect amongst them, your brother and your sister.
yeah.
And respect your elder.
Yes, the new nowadays mother and new parents, they not teach them kids no morals. All them a teach them how to go to school and how to make some money, or you know what I'm saying? They don't teach them no morals. Are you that?
Yeah.
When me a little boy, 6, 7, 8 year old, me couldn't get so much people me tell go dive in them mama.
Jesus.
The reason why me send people in them mama because back then when me did little bit, me couldn't send them in them mama. So now that me become of age, me send people in them mama because if you did that, you'd get a couple $1,000,000 before you reach.
Speaking of, there's a young artist who sent you back in your mama.
Yeah, like dog, I say, basically dog I say, yo, the reason why I'm doing it now because now as an adult you can do that. Cause back in the days as a youth, you can't do them thing there because we are thinking about manners and them thing there. But no, these nowadays youth, they don't no manners see nobody, bro. Come true.
Respectfully. Craft, that is. Right?
And craft from a youth and me just say, fair. And him couldn't say fair. And I see him do one song, say, all I would say fair. And I say, big up craft.
It seems like you generally rate him and have respect
yeah,
for
man,
him.
I rate him, man. I'm a dose, man. But you don't know,
I go on matter and probably this a good reason for you to have beef with it. We've been at telling people them say, yo, make a t-shirt. Cause
Eh?
in a real moment, that did bad to me.
Jamaican.
In a real moment.
We've been at telling people them say, make a t-shirt.
In a real mother.
Yeah. I'm gonna say. But it all feels out right. Because I'm gonna say, just a fair. I miss Magiata. Just say fair. I want to see what happens.
Yeah.
Never say fair.
No.
I say, you know what? Everything good.
You know, say what is so funny? Some people like you who love the mother so much. Why is it that that's the go-to?
Yeah, you love the mother so much, you love to tell people about the mother. Why is it?
No, but you see.
Slander.
No, you see the thing is, my mother is actually my mother have the most famous name right now in the
Magic.
as one of the partnership at sea.
Yeah.
And then I think second up now is Miss Rona.
Yeah. Well, that's a Miss Ivy, but
No, yeah, but
no,
that's
Miss
about
Rona.
overall.
Yeah.
You just say Miss Ivy,
yeah.
Maggie, Mama Christie. That's Shabba mother, Bounty mother, Matterhorn mother. But in a previous time now, current time, you just say Miss Rona.
Yeah.
So Miss Rona up there now,
Yeah.
and then R.I.P. to Mama Christie, R.I.P. to Mama Ivy. Maggie still alive, Miss Rona. So me that say them two ladies in the dance hall.
Oh,
right
okay.
now.
You mean current living?
Current.
Okay, yeah. All right, yeah. Okay, yeah.
I want to talk further about even the issue that Kraft brought up at the whole
Right.
thing where it caused one little friction where him say the young artists them they get exploited by them the veteran selector them and them thing.
A narrative.
Do you feel like him did legitimately have a case and
No, him never have a case because craft them don't know the craft.
What?
You know, understand? They don't know the craft and
Answer, because she called it twice.
So come.
ELR?
Yeah, you see, the kids them live what they learn. Craft learn something where wasn't true. Probably from film point of view, but him gonna speak on it, and you can't blame him neither.
Right.
Yeah.
Cause the younger artists them, they think they were exploited by the older artists, which is a lie. And they've been living that lie. Cause no older artists not really school them, and no older artists not really hold them down because they're in a different world by themselves. So hence that must be a lie. The older artists them not vice when on a vice. Them not vice pan the rhythm them on a vice. So them could not hold on down. The only way they would have could have hold on down is if me, Harry, Nar, and Sis, they pan the same rhythm. Then me and you, me and Nar, a fight against you and her. You see? They could not fight them. They could not hold them back. They could not stop what these younger youths was going to destined to be. Like the Valiant them and all of them.
Yeah.
The older artists couldn't do that because they didn't have any control over it. It's just that the younger youths were talking some things and the older man them probably disapprove of those things that they were saying on the record and say, yo, we don't like all them. And them take it to another level and say, oh, the pussy them a fight with. When the pussy them never really a fight, you know.
Oh. Okay, I get what you're saying.
So not really base that off a lie.
So them spin that and
Them spin the narrative
and
for disrespect the older man them.
Yeah.
Which we get boxed down and kicked down because that's what the thing go. We only can diss certain old people like an old boy like me, you know, where Maddy and Gunny, it not going to work.
Just a fair.
Just a fact. You see? So hence, you gotta have some big man where gonna try exploit the youth them. But as me say, the original initiative wasn't never that. They couldn't have stopped these youths anyway because you wasn't on the rhythm that they were on, the trap dancehall.
Right.
And you wasn't being produced by the
Young Dan, big up yourself, me J.
producer that was producing them. So hence, them just escalate something where it was a lie.
But this because it was coming from Selector, and I guess all the artists not one taking the young acts under their wing and promoting them like
But yet still
like an empire.
as we tell you,
and
it's still a lie.
Alliance.
Because I beg to differ. These young youths, them find out the hard way, say it was a lie, them a run with a lie. Because them say the Selector them wasn't
I play them song.
that's a lie. Because guess what? The lie was YouTube and stream. They were so dunce, because them say them dunce, which you can tell say is a dunce mentality that because you think say streaming alone could have keep you that live. Are you stupid? Remember, you go viral with a little song on YouTube and it streamed 2 million. What the fuck kept it alive? Was it the streaming? No. It's the Selector was playing the song. You play a song? You're a Selector? Don't you go in a dance and say your song and mash up the place and I get money pull up. Was it the YouTube playing in the dance? You see it? It was a lie. You see when you talk with intelligence, you can beat anything, Facts. Facts is the YouTube hype up these youths and say, oh, me no need Selector. Bitch, you need Selector. Because YouTube is not in the dance hall. YouTube is not in the party.
Right.
So for you little idiots who think, oh man, stream, man, the party.
He's right. When me agree in Panetary, you see me I say? Yeah, man, YouTube and social media are very integral when it comes to releasing and putting out a song. But when it comes to keeping a song alive and longevity, you do need the DJs. You see me, you need the fans, you need the selectors. You need DJ and selectors, bro. You see me? When it comes to that, keeping it alive, that is. Cause imagine, you drop a song on the big pan YouTube. If no the artist not playing a tune or people is gonna die after a while. You see me? Yeah, man.
All right, bitch. Who is gonna fuel that TikTok hype? Who is gonna fuel that YouTube hype? Is it TikTok or is it? No, you're not a TikToker.
Yeah, and you recently they call out at least for the young artists.
Yeah,
it's Pablo YG for not showing Selector them respect.
Yeah.
If you like this is at the
I was telling them show the Selector respect because you feel say, oh, me make money because YouTube. Yes. But who is going to refuel that money? YouTube is not. You don't get your little 15 minutes of fame on YouTube and TikTok. Who is going to continuously fuel the vehicle?
Yeah, man. Tony, I make some good points, man. Yeah, man, I get some money, but yeah, you gotta keep a track alive and keep going and for you to be refueled. Then you select them, because when you select them playing a party, play a tune and party and you go home, you're gonna listen to it again. You give it a little bit give a song a little bit more life.
I mean by that because the
selector play the song.
Right, but only get the money from playing them songs, so how them earn from it? How them benefit from you playing them songs?
Because you keep them longer. That's why these nowadays act, they cannot stay as long as the Bounty, the Beanie, the Bujo,
Nobody
the Captain, the Elephant. They cannot stay as long. You notice them lifespan for the artists of nowadays is 2-3 years.
Fuck.
Yeah.
On a lifespan short. The reason why you're not being refilled. Yeah, or not getting a refill. It's like you give a girl money. If you not give her no more money, for she continue obtaining her, say her lifestyle, her beauty, or maintain herself.
She gonna fall off. She gonna mash up. She gonna mash down. That's facts.
Mentally. Then what?
You cannot have sex, yeah.
You see it? You have to continuously. Yeah, but you have to continuously fueling something. That's why most of these youths get a big hype. How much of them did hype 2-3 years ago? In a pandemic, them get a big buzz. Them song a play now? No. Them act now? No. Them a get anywhere? No. You see? I can call names, but I don't feel like. But I can. Call them. No, I don't feel like.
I don't want to. Yeah.
But you know it's the truth.
Yeah.
It's statistics. We can see the ones who are still doing it. From the ones who get a buzz and they get a big song. All right, let me call one. Briscoe, we want it. Ensure.
Yeah.
Hey, oi. Hey, the Briscoe slander, Briscoe a bad artist. Why not do this to Briscoe now? Briscoe a bad artist, you know. But Briscoe say chop life, bro. Go
He
ahead.
got the biggest platform ever, you know, out of all of the youths in my bus. Because film thing became not only
Social media, like
it
it go
became
live, cultural
trend,
thing,
a
yeah.
craze.
I remember when the politician was mentioned.
Ensure,
Yeah.
you see, when there, find another Ensure. You better use Pediasure.
No, that's for kids.
You know business. Use one other Sure. Sure microphone.
So
But you understand what I'm
Yeah,
saying?
yeah.
He got this big hype, and then without the selector fueling that big hype continuously, your hype is going to die.
So question. So why wouldn't you? Is it what was the issue or what is it?
Yeah, man. While your friends is gonna stream your music on the YouTube platform and stuff, in order for you to remain relevant on a mass level, you see me and say, with just entertainment or outside of your fan base, you do need selectors. You see me and say that's true. Unless your fan base is already huge, like some artists like Alkaline, where you can say, yo, I don't really need it. You know what I say? Yeah.
The reason why you guys don't support them? Because I think what
Because-
Karaf was saying, or I think because I was saying it's just a disconnect, but the point is like, yes, support them by playing the song. So what more do the artists need to do for you to play
What
them
more
song?
do they need to do? Get off on a blood clot like a eye arse when the selector call on for your drops or a jingle.
Okay.
And do your drop and do your jingle. A one hand wash the other. You can clap with one hand.
No.
Clap. Let me clap. You see? Because these youths, and nobody not teach them it, because them just dragged up and say, I'm going to run on a laptop. Yo, I'm back in the line. And it go viral.
Yeah.
Nobody not tell them, say, after that hype, you
Oh, go, you make a point. You don't have to delete it. You make a good point, me G. How you do?
need to
Yeah,
have
that's
at
good
least
point.
4 or 5 selectors in your palm for you to get refilled.
But as it stick up in, as you said, nobody not teach them.
Nobody not teach them.
So
when
do you
we
think the
tell them
onus is
them-
on your generation to teach them and to mentor them and guide them? You feel like you don't do enough to guide them.
Yeah,
That's
but
why you
guess
feel
what?
like you do
But
enough.
guess what? Them never take no chat. Because remember, I suck on me and Craft them get at it with. Me not have a problem with Craft. Me love the youths them. But him probably got it wrong and think Matterhorn to me that, remember, and I me they started, you know, like I only say something and me just enhance what you guys said and I try bridge the current for show them say, Ray, and they see me as a legend, so them think say me I take side with the legends them. When me never take side, me just I tell them the ingredients for you to stay long and last long, more than 10 years, you have to have the DJs in your corner. Just like a politician. If a politician wants to uphold his seat in his constituency, he has to have the benefactors. He has to have his sponsors. You go come out of your money, your pocket, but it still not work. You still need a brand to push your campaign. All the politicians them have money, but them still go to benefactors to get funding for the campaign. You see it? You need people on your team.
So it's
And that me I try to teach them. So you need somebody, you need a selector, even 1 or 2 in America.
No, man.
You have
I really
2.
talk. In this area, you need a one selector. You need a one influencer. You need a one media company where rate go put out your thing. You see me? A one interviewer. These niggas don't understand this shit, you know. Because with that you create an ecosystem, Maggie. It keeps you relevant. You see me? I say, yeah, man. You giving the selector exclusive dubs and shit like that. Keep the selector relevant. Cap. I say, yo, that got bad. Because the artists are give him free dubs and thing. You see me? I say, and when the DJ play, you know, I'm gonna say the artists they have a bad because the selector they keep and get mad dubs on them. And then when you have an influencer now in your corner now, you must say you're the influencer that talk about the artist. You see me? I say, it's a working thing, bro. You see me? Look, the fix right here. You see me? When you go do an interview with them, him relevant again. You see me? I say, him go talk about the fix. People go check out. It's a circle, bro. It's a circle. But the years in the house are coming. Go on.
In England, 2 in Canada, and all a European selector, and a Jamaica selector, couple selector Jamaica. You need those people, and that fuel you all year round.
Yeah.
But with just the YouTube hype, they thought, oh, me get the YouTube hype, and that can sustain. Then, Bryce score, where you want them to sustain.
Yeah.
You see it? I was just merely telling them the ingredients to stay alive long. You have to have these people. Don't forget about the YouTube hype where you get. And a YouTube bust the song. Yes, YouTube bust the song, but who keep playing the song?
Right.
Not YouTube. YouTube just a play ongoing.
And then your fans them must search for it, most of them.
Yeah, but guess what?
Yeah.
Your fans them search for it and them have it on them phone. But when them come in and dance, if the selector not play, you know, say automatically
Them
that
forget
becomes
it.
out of sight, out of mind. We are play what go on now. You see it?
Yeah.
What happened?
I think a lot of them become one track minded and because
they weren't seeing the next picture.
Yeah.
They were seeing like a fight, them. No.
and in this age just social media is like the likes and the views
Social
and like
media trick them so they believe that, once
that
you
is the
post
end
on
all be
social
all.
media, that could have, no, that couldn't save you. Come man get bigger hype than you on social media and him still not here now. Currently fueling the music because he didn't have anybody to continuously push wood in the fire. In our fire. And make our fire just a burn.
So was there ever a case where you say, all right, you see a young artist and you say youth, like you literally have to guide them and say, this is the way, this is how you do it.
Yeah.
And
Maybe
it
I do
work?
that from a young. The amount of artists from me bus. And that's why more time when I get mad, I just clock them. Because when I bust them don't give the credit. And not that I care about credit, because as I tell you, Pisces people we pretty much don't care about shit. But
why it's important?
it hurts to know that you are giving the credit to the wrong person.
Oh.
A lot of them been doing that over the years. Like, me and Killer are war for that too. Where the amount of artists from me, boss, where Bounty Killer take my credit for. I mean, I say, nothing wrong with if them give him credit. Give him credit for theme part. Because if you do a song, you have split sheets. You are the producer, you are the writer for the song, you are the organizer of the music, and I did the song.
Okay.
You know, sister, when it's split up between bam, 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 bam.
Right. And
You can't just say, Matterhorn alone. No, it's a production. But these people were giving just Matterhorn alone the hype for the song. Want to narrow, want to hear it, want to Javi. You see it? You have to give everybody their own part to the part that they play. The person who make the music, the instrument, the person, you see it? The composer, the writer, the artist. Enough of these artists, them get so-called Bounty Killer my credit. So me just start burn out enough of them and say, I want to move on a blood clot.
So what you mean? Like what credit would he?
Like, a Bounty Killer bust me.
But you play the song and you bust the song.
And I bust the song.
Oh. So which artist give Bounty the credit and give you?
I only for them do it. Baby Sham, that one, he did it.
Okay.
that one. Okay.
Yeah, as I say, a lot of them, like Killer take claim for Cartel, I link some Matterhorn Bus Cartel.
You write for Cartel though?
Yeah, we write a couple songs, me and Cartel.
Are you right?
And write couple
This
songs.
man from 90s, are you right?
No, Cartel wrote that
Okay.
and we put in with insights and give him the...
Okay. Because him never know nothing about 90s.
Yeah,
I took that your
but
place.
look at this. What do Sasko him now? I have a bone for pick with you. One little teeny bone, because I love Sasko. Jeffrey. You'll never hear me say nothing bad about Jeffrey. But I kind of look upon it what you and say, so Sasko, you're grateful. How many never are grateful?
You could have fly. You didn't know it's a keep.
I mean, Matterhorn, we have that in common. So.
No, but guess what? That one day, it home. So Sasko, me like the show and it was in the rain and all of that, but I can't bother with the rain. So I like the show and everything. I run me in Virgo.
Yeah, me say go on good say
Like, go on good. But me just want to say. And then me hear Spragga say something the night pertaining to when you bust. So, you're not grateful to Matterhorn, but you're grateful to everything else. And a Matterhorn bust, Agent Sasko, assassin,
yeah.
Assassin. Jeffrey, in a look at school uniform, when you come on a fancy and a place, up a Renaissance, I'm the first person play assassin.
In which dance?
Check.
Guess which dance my boss him to Russ over Polo Field.
Oh, okay, because I don't know. Okay. Mm-hmm.
The first song what boss the place him actually big give a little quick history of it. Assassin come up a Renaissance up a right beside where TGIF there.
Oh yeah.
Little school youth coming at the yard can that are the security one big ugly boy named Can who used to run with everybody. See the youth that. I give my run with youth. I'm say, loud youth now. See I school you. I say, yo, don't want to go. I say, I want picnic. Anyway, I'm coming at the school. We just take a liking to him. I'm coming there and every day him start come there now and one day Rad do some dub plate and him want DJ. So when I DJ the song now, I say, yo, the song bad. But I say, you need to take breath. And know how to take breath because he was like, tell them say we lock gun, stop gun, pile up.
Yeah, man, one of the most important skill to learn as an artist is to control your breathing. So dog, I tell you, that's some hey, go on.
I said, no, you can't do it like that. Take a breath and do 4. If you can't do 4, do 3. Because we can pick up. So tell them say we lock gun, stop gun, pile up and pack gun. Stop. So it's the dub plate. Me bring the dub plate, go over Polo Field. And when me drop it over Polo Field, the mount a gunshot fire. 2-1. Time, me soon come. Yeah?
Oh yeah.
Oh gosh.
Have you noticed YouTube has way more ads than it used to?
Yep, I want to keep on playing with my ass live. Watch the ads though, guys. Watch the ads.
All right, me soon come. All right, cool. Yeah, love you too.
Watch family, man.
My daughter.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I play the song, Apollo Field. And apparently, the same night, because everything when me talk, you know me need to write a documentary.
No, like
You
you do,
need a
brother.
documentary,
You
yeah.
need a
Need
documentary.
a documentary. Books and documentary. Actually, the same night, you remember, if you was watching the Assassin thing, Spragga said something, it's the truth, where Sasquatch come from afar where people try to stop you. You see, the same night when me play the Sasquatch, I get the most gun salute. And out of my bun to kill them.
Really?
Them time the cartel no bust yet. All of my song them, the elephant them, all of my keep it on them, and the assassin song. Take the dance, be a gunshot fire feet, and then later on when he was actually DJing live, Spragga call him up live, and him a DJ and the crowd did a jeering. That's him felt in himself and I call him backstage and I say, where you working for? And I say, you know, Johnny, I'm like my first time on a big major stage like this, and him fail. I say, you fail? How you fail? And then them a mock you. I bust your boss. and him kind of laugh.
Nice way to flip
Him laugh
it.
because him a think me I try cheer him up and I say, no, me not try cheer up, me I tell you. I jeer the crowd did I jeer you. Them just needed somebody for jeer tonight and I you them choose. But
We'll and come again.
guess what? Don't worry about it. Me say, you see tomorrow, when the cassette reach Cassette Ninja, Cassette Jones at the time, me say, watch when you come from school Monday, come up by the studio again. Me go voice about 5 more songs with you. Me say, watch you go on. Me say, you did it earlier on when they shot them off for your song? Did the people who know who sing that song? Nobody in there know, though. Only your brother and you know. And Renaissance crew know you, though. But who for song take the party and rust this, you know. When the cassette come out, watch you go on. So said,
So
cassette
done.
come out Sunday morning. Everybody a play back the part there. Tell them say we lock gun, stop gun, pile up a your ear. One night time I go and press the turntable. A young ear.
You
Gunshot.
remember your first gun salute?
Yeah?
Like the first time a gun salute happened because of you?
Yeah, 1998.
Cha-cha.
1988.
The year.
1988. Wow.
Really
Yeah.
strong.
Which song?
I'm gonna tell you, Ninja Man.
Yeah, of course.
Ninja Man, Magnificent, I say wait, Magnificent, Ninja Man, Shabba, you was a dirty bungle and be a good
Yeah, man, for your song to take the show as a young juvie with so much big artists, big names, so much giants. It's crazy.
shot fire.
So when that happened, what was your reaction? How did you feel?
Why? I feel great, and from that, I end up turning the person who make the most gunshot fire in the history of Jamaica.
What? Where was this? What
And
happened?
When we make gunshot of fire, Andrew do his feces at
Thesis at university.
when we make gunshot fire in Jamaica. So,
Wow.
we make the most gunshot fire in a parties in Jamaica.
You said it's like as a fact.
It is a fact.
So what? When was this? What was this?
Over. If you're gonna do we can go specifics.
Oh.
And we can go overall.
Oh, I think you did like it's a specific party or anything.
Them not tell us about no specific.
Okay, what's
Jim
it?
Brown Memorial them.
Oh, okay.
All of them things the back in the day. I make shot fire from like go straight back till morning.
Wow.
Like that is a part of the dancehall history. Nobody never did shot us fire nice guy.
And that is it.
Gun
You know,
salute.
I wanted to ask you before when we were on the topic earlier, why you think there's a lack of unity in dancehall?
Because dancehall is bad mind. Dancehall is raw. Dancehall is ratchet. Dancehall mean raw, you know. So in raw, meaning anything goes. And Jamaica, them praise God and with God fearing and everything, but Jamaica is like the most bad mind set of motherfuckers that God built.
What worse? What be our bad mind?
Why I don't know what I think bad mind. But that is in any industry. Bad mind in Hollywood.
Yeah.
Who bad mind like Hollywood people? Movie stars, producer. You'll never work in this town.
An award-winning trading app that is as easy to set up as your favorite playlist.
You see it?
Yeah.
And them fight one another in the music industry, the film industry, all of them industry. But dancehall, through it raw, you see the bad mind more blatant. Because I can give history of dancehall where people would have never even fathom out there. They would have believed a lie Matterhorn tell. Like some of the things that when say so far, people that think a lie. Like when the first time when me clad Khalid, me see some people come on and post. Like, you remember when Khalid come to Jamaica and say, Yardman thing and I try drink porridge with and people think of the first time I come to Jamaica. I want to say, this bitch, what bring him come to Jamaica? Every year I fully loaded. And
Why
one
you not
little
have
boy-
no manners too?
No, one little boy did, remember one little boy did make one comment, yo, you're a big man, you're a pussy hole, you're a hater, you're a hate one Khalid. I say, go suck out your mother, hate one
Jesus.
Khalid. And then guess what? Him end up come back on my page, come apologize. And write one big paragraph because guess what? Not more than him go say it to film Papa and Mama and say, yo, Matterhorn, them old man, them bad mind, yo, the man a bad mind Khalid and like him father must say him can write it now to say him dad I tell him say, you have it wrong. Matterhorn them bring him come to Jamaica. But you are two different generations.
Yeah.
He would even do say
No, yeah.
Khalid them have a play before the Dan come on. You see it? Them have a play and want to play song try get as much forward and accumulate as much forward before the Dan step in and annihilate everybody on the beach.
Oh, you know, you say I want that.
You see it?
Jambisco then. You know, here. You know, I learned 20.
But him would not know that. Him probably in his 20s. So he probably I think say first Khalid never come to Jamaica I would even know the history.
Yeah.
Until when him go say it and somebody go hear him and say,
But step on your lip.
Nobody hear you say it. You see it?
Yeah, I'm asking about a common criticism I hear about Tony Matan. You chat too much in a party.
Yeah.
Is it something that you take into consideration and say, I'm curb it little, or you just say, me not give a fuck, me I do me?
But just start the thing them. Because if me chat too much, why is it every selector follow me and I chat in a dance? Make sense? And then the people them who say me chat too much in a dance were the people who are scared of Matterhorn, can me talk the things them.
But more time is like, Una do this, who do this.
Because
really,
I
Anna.
mean that. But the people who follow me, them start do it outlandish in a way where me do it with a style.
Yeah.
Because all who know say, I me inventing that. Before me was 2 MCs where everybody followed. Either you ranch it like Sky Juice, which never have no speech, but Sky Juice did raw on the mic. Come on, selector. Come on, you. And or you sound like, ask me into all the voice, all currency of the one.
Like a radio.
Yeah.
Like Rory,
Yeah.
which is my mentor.
Yeah.
I came and I changed all of that. Because me never, when me just started, me used to I sound like Rory, but me have a harsh voice. Me used to host up every minute. Now my selector. And me just say, fuck that. All I girl, let me know.
So it was basically through trial and error. You say, yo,
I
this
never
is...
through error. Me did it to perfection, but me want it to be me. Come here, the first person tell the girl, say, me rubbish sheep, me roach, me lizard, me rat, me dog shit, and run out, and the girl them just run out.
So Tony start that for real, like the degradation of our women.
Yeah, but they love me for it. No, me just to talk the things them way. And sometimes I remember when I just started classing up the girl them. Because me originate that. You see, even all talk on souls. Milo, rest in peace, the great Milo. Anybody would know about Milo. Field dance was like the biggest dance them in New York. Not like, it is the biggest dance. When Milo dance keep, people from Philly, Cali, DC, Jersey, Connecticut, Florida. It's like at the United States where Jamaicans hang out, Texas, you name it. They have to come to Godfather Milo dance. You understand? When Milo birthday party keep, when you talk about foreigners, it's like you're there at Jamaica, you're there at Jamaica, you see be a foreigners. You see pure people from all over the states. And it was 1995 was the first time a selector ever spoke that way on a soul song. Like when a soul song play, you know, now Sister Javi, big up yourself. Lady Karen.
Yeah.
Now it must have broke your part.
Little heart.
You know Jagga B them and all them nice people, Mark and Danny and Glamour and them. They crazy Chris. Those were my mentors. They used to talk on souls from in the 90s, early 1990, 91. Now massive, as we big up all this nice and little. It must have broke your little heart. 1995, I was in Milo dance. Punts, Lady Cecile, Lady B from Atlanta, all of them big over them. They some big over them, Angela Striker, them, Patty Buckers, we are talking about some big legendary woman. The one of them died that. And Claude, Jagga B never did it. And Claude asked me for MC.
Okay. And you didn't say the same thing.
So we there, Empire Boulevard. And me don't know what got into me. But Claude I play. I remember times, my love, when we really had it all.
Yeah.
You were there to help us. I'm saying, all of the girls left. Ooh, I can't believe you leaving me. There's so much more to say. I can't let go. You don't know me with my Labrador short self. I say, you see tonight, you're going to get a different thing and you're going to see a new king in a dance hall. Once we get to that part.
You can't say how the way you bring it up.
Me say this is a new thing. Because them time they had Rory them and Jagabee them and the place.
Yeah.
But me I run the place as a clash selector around Addies. So me going at the name brand world, so to speak. You know the name brand world with them styly. We. And boy, we not the champagne popping.
Yeah.
Dance ram. Like about 3,000 people or more in one big place.
Yeah.
You know me and my little nasty self now. Claude, gentleman, rest in peace, Father Claude, Super Claude. I play that song, Love Me Please. That was the first anybody ever said anything like this nature upon a soul song. As I said before, everybody was like, Sister Harry, big up yourself, Lady Javi.
Yeah.
Big up yourself, looking fabulous, Ray. Them go put on the song and me no know what got into me and me here. I remember time, my love, when we really had it all. All of the girls, I know you take the people in, man. I remember it, from this.
Yeah.
Ooh, I can't believe. Me say when you lie down in your bed, I'll do all the people in, man, you fuck. I can't let you go. Ooh,
You that's the cutthroat environment and you are trying to make your name as a selector. Did inspire them type of thing there?
Yes, because I want it to be different.
Yes.
That's why up to this day, there's no selector in the world can talk about I'm alive like Matterhorn. As you know that because they have a like Instagram clipping with a boy impersonate me with my voice. Yeah, some of them come out your yard, boy. Them have stove. Them have no stove. Hey, girl, boy, you want food? I want to cook the rat and give. I was going in on that stuff.
Come up in the wildest.
So I started that. Styling the girl them pan souls and any mix-up song.
Yeah.
No. You talk about like how your evolution, revolutionized.
Yeah.
They will select a game. One more you feel like, or you feel like the young selector them, or do them thing now, or you feel about the young selector them? You feel like them do them part in trying to further the thing?
But them need for reinvent themselves and rebranding themselves, them not doing. Because them stick to playlists. Like, I remember last year, me and Noah Power getting our eating thing on Instagram because, like, if I say, Matterhorn, you have to make the youths love you. I say, youths love me, your blood clot, them no must love me. Then me and them father, me go start this and make them become selector. But Noah was trying to argue a point, like, he might try to say, you have to give them ratings. And I say, listen me, Noah, me are two different persons. You just one of the top teacher in the class. I'm the fucking dean of discipline. My marks them different. I am the professor of professors. My mark are different. Your mark, 60% pass in your class. 80% pass in your class. Javi class, you have to
20.
score 90. Matterhorn class, you have to go 100. Because you can't pass.
So 90s a fail for you.
90s a fail.
Oh my God.
In Harvard and Princeton, 80 a fail. Because them deal with excellence. And it's hard for your selector prove himself to me. For your selector prove himself to me, and me give him the blessing, him know him good. Because I am the done of all done. When you come on to that, all of the department where them a try to go, a Matterhorn make that department. So you hard to impress me.
Yeah.
So I am saying, when me that explain to Noah, I'm going to say, Noah, no, the difference with you,
Alright,
you like
Jimmy.
you look favor
I'm about to get off myself right now. This is the last few minutes.
from them, me not look no favor from them. Me I
Appreciate
tell
you
selector
joining
say,
me. You see me, tomorrow we continue with the rest of the music reactions, you see me? Yeah man, I'm gonna upload what we did tonight and this, and then we can finish up tomorrow we live again with more new music and reactions live, you see me?
you can't copy from that person there and me give your mark. Are you mad? Like, all right, let me tell you what selectors do. Each one teaches one. Nothing wrong with that because we learn from somebody. I learned from people before I became the great. People learn from me before they become great.
Yeah.
But I can't pirate Naro or Nero where I want.
Oh God.
Naro.
Him just doing it on purpose.
Remember,
We
Naro
do
have
that every
that
time.
laptop.
Yeah.
Right? Naro make a playlist for you and Javi birthday. Woman over you are one pandicha, sexy carry and him go down the line and re. Matterhorn, here Naro playlist. While Naro was playing in the party, Matterhorn was a boom bam 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 and write down, boy. Him play about 30 songs out time playlist.
Yeah.
Tony now take the 30 songs and put and write it down in a probably notes or whatever. Memorize some bread. Then run up a film laptop. Woman over you are one pandicha and do the same playlist.
Yeah.
Now Tony there now in cameraman, where your name?
Deshaun.
Shane party. So I go over the Shane party and go play Naro
Playlist.
and then you think me now when no say Naro they play that at the girls' them party and me go hear the
Shane
over the Shane party. Then me supposed to give him credit for that. Why should I give you credit for copying?
Exactly.
You're not even modify the playlist and add your little flip or turn to it. You play back the same playlist. Me can't give you that and you're not going to get that from me. And you and your mama go dive.
So
And
wait,
you
that
can't get
happened though?
That-
Yeah,
Yes.
how often that
Fact
go?
what? On a weekly basis.
Yeah, man, gang, we're any live, so as me answer, big up everybody who join the live. You don't know. See y'all tomorrow. We enjoy this. And look out.